Hey yo, what's up everybody? It's Zane JJ. Today we're coming back a video basically talking about how to invest, and of course in this bear market itself we are looking for opportunities and ways to basically generate some passive income. And of course if you came across this video, I'm going to bring you this opportunity that you can basically generate some passive income. Like you can put in Bitcoin and you will earn Bitcoin, you put in Ethereum, you earn Ethereum. And of course in this product itself, I would say I have a lot of trust with Haru Invest because previously I've been with them for almost like 2 years, and of course all their payout has been done promptly. And of course from there I would say there's no cock-ups or error, and of course their withdrawal time itself is around 1 day, within 24 hours. When you initiate withdrawal you will receive it. And of course I would say today they are having some bonuses out there. And of course I would say that if let's say you are not a member yourself, happy to you, basically you are in for a treat. So before we jump to the topic itself, I would say yes, I'm affiliated with Haru Invest. And of course, if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video. And of course, make sure to watch the whole video basically about this content itself. And of course, the last segment itself is risk to know, which I will explain the risk. And of course, from there, you can decide if you want to put in your funds or not. So without further ado, I'm going to basically introduce you to what is Haru Invest for those who are new to the channel. So for Haru Invest itself, I would say is for those who are new to the channel. For this segment itself, if let's say you want to know again, I'm going to basically explain it to you. So watch this content itself. So without further ado, we're going to jump to the screen. So over here, Haru Invest itself is the secure way to invest and earn starts here. Basically, the slogan for them is crypto in and more crypto up. And of course, from there, you can see this is their interface. And of course, as of now, we can see that the product that they're offering on Haru Invest, the Earn Plus, Earn Explore, and of course the Earn Flexible plan. Basically, a flexible plan is over here. We're gonna show it to you. So over here, you can earn up to 5.4% in Bitcoin, Ethereum 5.2, US Tether 6.5, and XRP 2.5. Basically, XRP itself is a new asset that they considered, and after that, from there, the community has basically ask them to basically add on a new cryptocurrency, which is XRP. And of course they listen to it, and of course they have listed it over here. And the APY itself is not that fancy, but I believe it is still very high compared to what you can find outside. So over here, these are some of the products that you can see. I'm going to show it to you. For the earn itself, you can basically earn up to like over here 22.5 APR. Basically this is the earn explore, and of course this is the lockup term, 3 month, 1 month for US Tether. And of course for Ethereum you can earn up to 21.5 APR, and of course for Bitcoin itself is 25 plus APR. And of course I would say these are the projected slash targeted rates for them. And of course they do have a small management fee, which is I think a few percent. I would say it's the cheapest rate out there. It doesn't matter because they are just taking your profit, not your initial capital. So if let's say they're in a profit, you are basically going to pay a little fee. If let's say they fall below, if I'm not wrong, 10 or 15 APR, the percentage you targeted, basically you're not going to pay a single fee. So this is their promise to the user. And of course for Haru Invest itself, they have this Earn Plus itself. This over here is basically a lockup period. You can lock up to 365 days. And over here for Bitcoin, the minimum itself is 6.1%. If you do the maximum lockup 1 year, you're gonna earn 13.5. And of course from the Ethereum is 13%, and lowest is 5.9, US Tether 7.2, and of course 14% is the highest. And of course I would say over here for Haru Invest itself, they do not basically borrow your funds, and I mean they do not take your funds to borrow it. Loan it to people, and of course create some Celsius kind of contract slash a CeFi trying to be a DeFi. So what Haru does itself, they use your funds for purely trading, and after that from there trading itself you might hear a bit over here. There's some people with like a phobia of trading because they have been liquidated with quite a lot of amount. So for my case itself, I've been personally liquidated on leverage trading Bitcoin, and after that from there I lost like 3 Bitcoin back in the days. And after that I would say it doesn't matter because it's just a learning experience. And after that from there I would say greed itself, I can't really control my emotion when it comes to trading. And of course from there I would say I'm not perfect. And after that I would say that on Haru itself, they have the professionals to trade for you, and after that from there they can basically have some, I believe they have some AI ongoing to basically monitor the market, and after that trade, and of course flip some profit. So if let's say you're interested in joining the Haru Invest ecosystem itself, there's some bonus that you need to know. So over here, the bonus that you need to know is basically you can gain some free Bitcoin if let's say you are interested in joining the ecosystem. This is for the new users, and of course, if let's say you have friends who are on the Haru Invest ecosystem, feel free to get their link, and after that from there, you guys can profit off this. Like make a bonus of this. I'm going to show it to you. So over here, this is the refer and earn program. So if let's say you have not signed up an account, feel free to sign up, and after that from there, you can invite your friends and you can both earn 50 Bitcoin for free, and after that invite 3 friends or more to get the additional limited time of like $100 for limited time. So as of now, 11th of October all the way to 30th of October itself, you can basically invite your friends, and after that, I believe this $50 in Bitcoin is unlimited. So every time you invite a friend, and after that they use the Earn Explore itself. So over here, step 1, send your link. If let's say you have not signed up an account, use my link down below, and after that from there you can deposit $500 in the Earn Plus or Earn Explore lock up for at least like $500, and after that if I believe if you want to use the Earn Plus itself, you can lock up 15 days, and after that $500 at least in crypto, and after that from there you will basically once your friend meets the lockup requirement, both of you, basically you and me, will receive a $50 in Bitcoin, and after that from there, this is the permanent affiliate program as of now. Basically you sign up, and after that from there you refer people lock up $500, you get 50. So this is ongoing until they adjust the referral program again, and of course from there this is very simple to achieve. And after that, over here for the Earn Plus, they did not request you to lock up for 365 days or something like that. As long as it's a Earn Plus program program itself, you can just lock up for 15 days, $500, and after 15 days you want to withdraw your funds, up to you. You want to get the free bonuses, up to you. And after that, over here you can see that members who have signed up with a referral code before October 11 and have not created a lockup, you're also eligible. So this is for the existing user. If let's say you have not you have created an account before 11 October, but you have not done any like lockup or whatsoever, you can basically do this. And after that from there, who have never created a lockup, so you never use the Earn Explore, the Earn Plus program, you can basically be eligible for this. If let's say you have used the Earn Flexible program, you are still eligible for this because you have not created a lockup before. And after that, a lockup meaning 15 days, if not 1 month or 3 months of your initial capital. And after that, from there, it has to be at least $500, emphasizing it. And of course, you are eligible for the Welcome Referral program. And after that, from there, your referral, and after that, you yourself will receive $50 each in Bitcoin. So for the limited time offer itself, available for only the first 300 members who invite 3 or more friends who lock up at least $500. So the program is the same. Every time you refer somebody, you need to refer it 3 times. So from this 3 times itself, both of you guys will receive $50 in Bitcoin. And after that, if let's say you did more than 3 people itself, you will basically receive at least like additional like $100 in Bitcoin. And after that, it's only for the first 300 members. So over here, I would say the promotion itself is very attractive. So if you want to go on a shilling spree or something like that, feel free to go ahead. As of now, what I'm doing, basically talking about this itself. So you can see this is the ticker itself. Get your reward before it's gone. If I refresh it, it's still here. So over here, there's still 300 rewards left. And of course, this is the real-time type ticker. If I'm not wrong, just click on it, and after that, it will just refresh every time if somebody achieved the rewards itself. And after that, we can learn more over here. Over here, this is what kind of event is this? Basically, these events involve an unlimited friends. So over here, if let's say you have a lot of friends and family, and after they are willing to lock up 50 in Bitcoin itself, you both will receive equivalent of $50 in Bitcoin each when your referral joins as a successful referral mission. So over here, the welcome bonus will be paid in 25 once the referral program is launching and promotioning close. So over here, how much is the price? Host and friend, basically your referrer, and of course you yourself, and you refer your friend, both will be paid $50 in Bitcoin each for the launching event. So this is a launching event only, and after that, however, if it is paid only when your friend invite by the host, basically do the referral mission, lock up $500 in the Earn Plus or Earn Explore. And after that, over here, you have to remember, you can't buy the crystal from their marketplace to basically be eligible for this Earn Plus. You have to create a new lockup from your wallet. And after that, how long does the event last? 11 October all the way to TBD. And after that, over here, you can see when will the prizes be paid out. So over here, for the referral program, if you finish the $500 lockup itself, you'll receive the payment immediately for you and me. And of course, from there, the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum basically is talking about the closing. So because they say $50 in Bitcoin, and after that, from there, you can see they are going to use CoinMarketCap as their ticker itself. So how do you take part? For if let's say you want to refer people and start earning some income, you can basically join as a member, and after that, recommend to your friends using your referral code, and after that, you can help your friend by guiding them how to deposit the $500. And after that, from there, both of you guys will receive it. And after that, over here, yeah, for this itself is a very long TNC. I'm not going to explain it. I'm just going to post the link down below, and after that from there it is a very simple step to get these free bonuses out there. And after that from there you can generate some passive income in the bear market. And after that I would say so far I have generated quite a handful of amount over here. If you want to scroll down, this is the amount that I generated in US dollar. And of course we can see that as of now is the bear market. And after that from there, this over here is very shitty. If let's say it's in the bull market, Bitcoin at 60k, Ethereum at 3k, this amount over here will basically double. And of course showing you that, oh, that's much more that I have earned. And of course because everything is pegged to the US dollar, therefore the amount shown is US dollar. But of course they shown the Ethereum and of course Bitcoin as well. And after that I would say the risk that you should know before you jump into this kind of investment. So for this kind of investment, I would say there's definitely a risk out there. I would say that this is a centralized company. You're gonna put your funds with them, and of course, only put whatever you can afford to lose. I believe this $500 is okay to lose, because basically $500 you're gonna generate additional 50. And of course, if let's say you are super scared of it, basically 15 days, that is basically 15 days what you need to endure. If let's say you're gonna for the earn plus itself lock up for 15 days, $500 of US tether or something like that, get the free $50 Bitcoin. And of course, if let's say you're scared, you do not trust their platform or what, feel free to just withdraw anytime you want. And of course, nobody is forcing you. And of course, I would say that if let's say you do not trust them, feel free to do your own research first. And of course, to remember that there's the program out there. And of course, if let's say you want to be eligible for all of this, join before the 30th of October. And after that, from there, you can receive the higher bonus. And of course, not lose out on this kind of early referral program that basically they're offering much more funds to get people onto the platform. And of course, I would say the risk itself, what's the risk you're thinking? Okay, so first of the risk, they are doing trading. So over here, trading itself, your capital is at risk. You are basically looking at a potential negative returns if let's say they didn't manage to do well on their funds. And after that, from there, I would say the next part itself, the company going bankrupt slash MIA slash rug pull or whatever you want to call it. All the terminology is out there. So over here, it's a centralized platform. You put your funds in, the private keys is with them. They control the keys, and after that, they can just, oh, today I do not feel like doing business. They can just shut down. But of course, you have to look at the upside and the downside. If let's say they do that, they are gonna basically pocket these millions of funds. But over there, you have to remember these millions of funds itself, they are using it to trade. And of course, every time upon a trade itself, they are generating a fee. And of course, the fee itself is basically potentially free money for them, because to be honest, they are using other people's money to basically make a bigger bet. And of course, from there, generating a higher income for the community. And of course, on top of that, they are earning like a management fee for everything that they have done. So to be honest, in the long run itself, definitely it is going to pay off a lot. And of course, I would say if let's say they want to rug pull itself, does not to me itself, if I'm a business owner itself, it does not look like a decent thing to do. And of course not sounding, because if let's say you are going to generate, like maybe you can have $1 million in your capital, and after that if you rug pull it itself, you can have $1 million instantly for that 1 year. But if let's say you project it 5 years later, your company might be making like tens of millions of dollars with management fees. And after that, does not sound like within this period that you want to rug people. And after that, from there you just do a rug pull, and after that you lose, I mean in 5 years later, you might be making like tens of millions of dollars recurring. And after that, from there, does not, I mean, like it's not a decent thing to do. If let's say you want to for the company to rug pull, I mean they have their own financial standpoint, they have their own projection itself. I would say the company itself is quite legit, because they went to Singapore and of course have their meet and greet. Unfortunately, I was not able to go there due to some personal personal reasons. But of course, the next time they come over here, I'm definitely going to meet them. And after that, from there, take some pictures, and after that, film some stuff, put it on the channel itself. So if I believe that you guys are, I mean, it's your own money. You want to put in however you want. And after that, I would say nobody is forcing you. Just do your own research and due diligence. And of course, only put in whatever you can afford to lose. And after that, without further ado, I'm going to end the content itself. If you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notification. And I'm going to see you on the next one. Bye bye. Peace.